3 years passed in stolen rain. Abimelech stood with blood-stained claim, but justice walks though veiled and slow, and God begins the work below. A wedge was drawn, not forged by man, but heaven's hand fulfilled its plan. The hearts once bound by sin and gain, now cracked beneath the weight of shame. Silver that once bought a crown now melts into the cursed ground. All they built in treachery will soon become their reckoning. God sends division, truths betrayed, a holy fracture that won't be swayed. He lets the rebels tear apart what never bore a righteous heart. The sword of heaven strikes unseen through whisper shadows, subtle schemes, and those who trust in wicked men shall fall by hands they called a friend. Shechem once crowned with cheering voice, now plots against their selfish choice. Ambush laid upon the hill, schemes of men, but God is still. They think it clever, think it war, but justice knocked on every door. The guilt of blood that stained the stone calls for a harvest all their own. You may rise by fear and lies, but God divides and truth survives. Schemes may hold for just a time, but justice turns on every crime. God sends division not by sword, but through the echo of his word. The proud who kill and wear a crown will watch their fortress crumble down. The whisper turns into a flame, and those who rule in Yahweh's name must walk in truth or lose it all, for kingdoms made by sin will fall. God sent a spirit of division.